Hello friends, my name is Bharat. Let me briefly explain what my journey was in the markets. I started my journey in trading somewhere in 2006-2007. Fresh out of the college, I was into my job, and whatever mistakes, probably my experience in the bear market was, my first experience in the market was into the bear market of 2008-2009. I was quite nascent in the markets. I don't know how to handle this. Whatever I was making through my salary for the last 1.5 years, I lost in the initial days in 2008, 2009. Then I understood this market is not that easy, because to come here, to get the job, an engineering job, I had to go through 16 years of education. So what happened here, without having no education in the market, without understanding how to handle my money, how to handle emotions, how to read the market, how to actually take money from the smart guys, is not that easy. I thought I could make it easy. I thought it's any other gambling or speculating game. I entered the market in somewhere in 2007, 2008. Whatever I made in the last 1.5 years as salary, I lost it in one go, in 2 to 3 months. That's when I understood you got to be smart in this. What is theory and what is practice is entirely different. Then post 2008, 2009, it took almost 4 to 5 years of my rigorous effort to understand the markets, to practice small, do not lose big. That is what I learned from my mentors. So post 2013, 2014, I was quite stable in the markets, in my trading also. So it took another 2 to 3 years of courage to build myself. So 2016 was the year I had to call it quits. So from 2016 I make a living out of trading. I'm a full-time trader by profession, and whatever I learned in the last 12-13 years of my experience, making money, losing money, inconsistent, consistent, and finally in 2016 I quit my job, and today I'm a full-time trader. So a lot of people are facing this, a lot of retail traders are also facing this. They think opening a demat account, punching trades will make money for them. It's not that easy. Your profit is somebody's loss, and who is that somebody? He's also smart enough. So if you want to take money from them, you got to be smart enough, smarter than those guys, to take money from them, right? So this program, which I'm speaking about right now, is a Master Trader program. This would probably present you my last 13-14 years of experience, from failures to success, how it happened for me, is what this program all about. It's a Master Trader program. Who can concentrate on this program is basically people who are in the same phase where I just spoke about, where you know a little bit of technicals, you know a little bit of data, you know a little bit of derivatives, but you're not able to implement effectively in the markets. Probably your hit ratio, that means success to failure ratio, is not that good. Your risk management is not that good. See, when it comes to trading, analysis is 10%, 90% is all about how do you handle this trade management, money management, risk management. All those things will play a part in the markets. So people who are struggling in those parts, first thing is analyzing the markets properly. Second thing is, you don't know how to handle the trade, you don't know when to enter, you don't know when to exit, you don't know how much you should position size, you know how to handle the risk. All these aspects will cumulatively give you the profits, right? So if you guys are struggling here, you want to elevate to the next level of professional level program, this probably would be the forum for you to explore the opportunity here, Master Trader program. So what you're going to learn here is my last 13-14 years of experience. So what I'm going to teach here is this three-layered process. The first layer is all about technicals. So when I say technicals, again, theory to practice is a lot different, right? What is technicals in theory and what is technicals in practical? When you start implementing, it's a lot different. So whatever you learned in the basics probably is fantastic. I'm not denying it, but as you go further, things evolve also, right? So what you're going to look at in technicals is 5-step approach, which I look at price, I look at volume, I look at momentum, I look at volatility, I look at time aspects. Right? So 5 different angles. When I start studying it, the probability of success will improve. 100% success will never happen, but you should increase the probability of success, right? So if you go to any game, the odds should be in your favor, right? So when you commit your money, the odds of you winning should be more. So what technicals should give you, not just price, not just one aspect. You should look at 5 different angles: price, volume, momentum, volatility, and time. When all 5 combine, and when you analyze it, the probability of success will improve here. That's the first level which you're going to discuss in the program. Level 2 will speak about data. See, there are about 1,500 stocks which are actively traded. So if I ask you, so which is the stock which you're going to pick tomorrow morning for a trade? This is a difficult part. So it's not that easy to go pick a stock, right? So what you're going to do, in the level 2 is where is this stock. Let's say if I teach the technicals alone, so what's going to happen is you look at all these technicals and you start picking a trade for the tomorrow morning. That means if you want to pick trade for tomorrow morning, let's say if you just look at F&O stock, there are 145 stocks right now, right? So which stock which you're going to probably take for a buy or take for a sell? If you do the stock selection based on the technicals which I have discussed in the level, maybe you end up with 10 to 12 stocks for buying, 10 to 12 stocks for selling. Which is that you're going to do? Is a question. Not all 10, 12 will give you profits tomorrow morning. It might give you tomorrow, 3 days from now, 4 days from now. So when you want to commit to money, there should be some conviction, right? Not all stocks will move in equal percentage. So how to find these stocks? So that is where I from last couple of years of my experience, I understood the stocks which moved, which give vigorous movement, is the stocks where big guys have positioned themselves, where the smart money has moved in, those stocks where market has moved drastically up or down. So basically you look at price. Yes, price is definitely important, I'm not denying it, but price is a consequence of imbalance in demand and supply. So demand is from the buyer and supply is from the seller. So where is demand supply happening? It could be in the cash or futures or options segment, right? So if somebody is taking a position in the cash or hedging in futures or taking a position in future and hedging in options, we do not know. So collectively together we have to analyze the data. So once you understand the data, you understand where the market is trying to head. Which is the stock which is going to head higher or head lower. This you'll understand. So stock selection should definitely be there. You can arrive at support, resistance, what the smart money is doing by the positions that they have taken in the cash or futures or options market. This will definitely help me to find out a couple of things. One is you will understand support, resistance from the data. Technicals will support you. Along with that, if data will also support you, that means okay, technicals yes, buy. And I also data when I do my data analysis, I also get that yes, somebody has taken a big position or somebody has taken a big sell position or a big buy position. That will also add to your conviction to it. That's very, very important for you to have the conviction when you take a trade. So this is what you're going to learn in the data analysis. Data, how does it help you to find out support, to find out resistance, to find out trends, to find out entries, to find out exits. All parameters can also be done on just this. And post that, what I'm going to teach in the program is there is my favorite Nifty and Bank Nifty which I trade for a living. I'll speak about how to trade Nifty and Bank Nifty for a living. I'm a scalper, I'm a swing trader, I'm a positional trader. I do all those things, but for a living, definitely Nifty and Bank Nifty we cannot be forgotten. So I'll speak about how to take this Nifty, Bank Nifty for a swing trader, position, even a scalping, 15 point, 20 point, 30 point scalp on Nifty and Bank Nifty is also very, very important, which definitely going to improve your P&L. So this is what probably my 3.5 years of effort which I've done on Nifty and Bank Nifty, which I do for a living. I'm going to teach that model there on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And so once you understand technicals, once you understand derivatives data analysis and also cash data analysis, you understand a couple of things. One is you know the probability of success, you know how to pick the stocks for stocks, you know how to enter, you know how to exit. But now what is the risk management you're going to do? How do you handle your risk? So for which you're going to look at derivatives. So we're going to look at the entire derivatives, right? When derivatives means futures and options. So how are you going to position? Okay, I know my technical saying a buy, I know my technical saying a sell, and also data support is there. Big positions have been taken in the futures or options market. Now I know it has to be a buy, it has to be a sell. So once you get this, it has to be buy or it has to be a sell. How do you position yourself in the market is very important, right? How do you take a position? The options are a very different. It's a three-dimensional game. Options are delta, vega, and theta. You should understand when to take a position. Whether directionally you might be right, maybe you are wrong in the volatility and time aspects. That also is very, very important when you're a buyer or when you're a seller. How to position yourself? How do you position your option position in the first week, second week, third week, or fourth week, however it is? How do you position yourself in the futures market in the first week, second week, third week, fourth week? How do you hedge your position in the futures, and how do you hedge your position in the options? How do you hedge your options for the vega and the theta, and keep it delta positive or delta negative, however it is? So the complete package we're going to look at in the level 3 aspects of it, where you look at derivatives as a complete thing. You look at ABC of derivatives, you look at how to position yourself, how to risk management derivatives, and you also understand when to time, when not to time, when to take, when not to take, and also you understand how to hedge your option positions versus vega versus theta versus delta. You understand all the nitty-gritty of the markets at all 3 levels. So level 1 is in technicals, level 2 is your data, level 3 is your derivatives, where we look at entry, exits, risk management, position sizing. All those aspects will be there. This is what probably you can expect from the program. What is the outcome of the program? Of this program is Once you understand this program, you will be having a lot of confidence to enter and exit. Not only technicals, along with data. When you combine two schools, different schools, fundamentals, technicals, and derivatives, data analysis. So 3 different schools are there, but we don't look at fundamentals for a trading. We look at technicals and data. So when technicals says a buy, the trend analysis is a good trend, a bullish or bearish trend, and your data says it's a good buy because big smart money has pumped money in, or smart money has taken the money out. So when two aspects will come together, the probability of success increases. So this is what you're going to get. Your increased probability. You're going to trade with a lot of conviction. You will also get my the model which I spoke about, Nifty and Bank Nifty, which I'm going to trade for a living. That also you're going to get. I have seen a lot of people who are confidently taking the trade. Even guys who are 18 years, 19 years, 20 years old, who probably are pretty new to the markets, they also are very, very confident in executing the trades, because when the technicals alone is there's a lot of whether this support going to work or not, resistance going to work or not. We have a lot of issues. Support breaks, resistance breaks. A lot of traps are created around support resistance. How to decipher all those things is what you're going to understand in the data. So when two schools, different schools, have come together, your conviction increases, your profit increases, risk management is also taken care of. So what else? This is what this master program is all about. And thank you so much for being here.